Hey there, this is the Denver Vacuum Store. We are here today just explaining some of the benefits of fixing your typewriter. A lot of times typewriters' keys start to get sticky or they no longer perform properly. If you have a typewriter and you'd like to get it serviced, bring it in. We're here Monday through Friday and weekends. We perform typewriter repair on all major brands: IBM, Brother, Smith Corona, Panasonic, Necchi, Olivetti, and more. So if your typewriter is acting up or it needs a new ribbon, come see us. Phone number here is 303-794-8037. Thank you.